Okay, calculate the moles of copper chloride needed to make 95.2 moles of sodium chloride. Great, let's get started. Guns. Givens. Put it under 1, get my numbers, and I'm going to solve. My given right now is 95.20 moles of sodium chloride. So where's my sodium chloride? No. Here we go. NaCl. Moles of NaCl. Sweet. I'm going to put over 1. Alrighty, I'm going to use my mole map to see how to set up the next section. I'm going from, what am I looking for? Moles. So I'm doing a mole to mole ratio. Remember, all these start here, go across to our balanced equation, and then we end with what we're looking for. So very first thing, I am going to fill in what I have. So moles of what I started with, NaCl. What is it that I'm looking for? Copper chloride. Let's see where copper chloride is. Here it is. Copper chloride. CuCl. Beautiful. Alright, now to fill in these numbers. What numbers do I put here and what number do I put in here? Well, we can see from our mole ratio, it says from our balanced chemical equation. Here is our balanced chemical equation. So for CuCl, what is the coefficient in front of it? Lovely. It is a 1. So what I am going to do is I am going to just put that there. And ACl, here's 2. So I'm going to put that here. Alright, from here, it's the math. I'm going to do my math down here, just so I don't mess up. So, 95.2, ooh, I have to cancel my units. 95.2 times 1 is 95.2. 2 times 1 is 2. What does that equal? I don't know. Let me get my calculator up. Here we go. 95.2 divided by 2 equals 47.6. So 47.6 of what? Here's my unit I didn't cross out. Mole CuCl.